Hi everyone, it's Cassandra McCarley, licensed loan officer. In this video, we are going to discuss the next step in the home buying process. Pre-approval for your mortgage. You will need to be pre-approved before you begin shopping for a home. It happens all the time, but many people start shopping for a home without knowing what they qualify for. Now that is a huge mistake and a recipe for putting an offer in a home that you don't qualify for. Now let's go over a few steps in the pre-approval process and some documents you will need. This will help determine exactly what type of mortgage you will qualify for. First, you will need to prove your monthly income. Your lender will need to see the last 30 days of your pay stubs, your previous 2 years of W-2s, and your tax returns from those years as well. Once your lender has the documentation, they will give you the exact amount you are pre-approved for. Now next, you will need to discuss the down payment. This is the amount of money you will need to put down on the purchase of your new home. And as you know, there are many different loan options, and this will affect how large or small your down payment you will need to put down. Now, they can range from 1% to 20%. For example, an FHA loan offers 3.5% down. If you are a military veteran, there are loan programs where the down payment is 0%, which is fantastic. You will also discuss your monthly expenses with your loan officer, so be prepared to discuss all of your debts that show up on your credit report. This will include any credit cards, auto loans, or installment accounts you may have. All of these liabilities will be part of the calculation when the loan officer is pre-approving you for your home loan. You will also need to pay attention to your credit score as well. As you know, your loan officer will need to check your credit before you can purchase a new home. Your credit score can range between 350 to 830 points. The higher the credit score that you have, then the lower the interest rate that you will qualify for. Higher credit scores will help you get pre-approved. Now try avoiding having your credit checked multiple times. This is called a hard inquiry and can negatively affect your credit scores. These inquiries will happen when you apply for a credit card or a loan. While you are in the process of buying your new home, avoid applying for a new credit card until you are in your new home. Another way to maintain your credit score is to keep credit card balances under 40%. Your qualified mortgage professional will be there during the process to tell you what you're eligible for and explain the monthly payments, interest rates, and other details. So make sure you write down all of your questions so your lender can help you with all of these details. Next, we'll also discuss how to choose your real estate agent that is right for you.